Robert here. We're at the Lehigh Bridge. I'm here with Russ, and this is our tradition. We're here going to be fishing all night long. It's the 4th of July weekend, so it's actually July 3rd right now, but we're going to be here all night. We're going to be using the Team Catfish Sudden Impact, and then later on tonight we're going to be going to with some night crawlers. But as of right now, this is what we're going to be going with. Our normal spot over there is taken, so as soon as that guy leaves, we are going to be jumping over there, unless we start nailing them really good. But let me give you a good look at our surroundings. Reason why we want that spot over there is because all this cover gets kind of spooky at night, right, Russ?
Yep.
Alright, so anyways, yeah, we'll go to intermission. We'll let you know what we catch. Alright. The first bite already. I've only been in the water for, I don't know, wouldn't you say a minute?
Yeah, about that.
Lost interest. I think he's back.
I think that's too long for me, Robbie. You got something?
Yeah.
Ah.
Yeah, dude, hit it already. What's too long? No, that's perfect. Yeah, so me and Russ are going to make this a tradition, being that we've done this 2 years, or this is our second year in a row doing this. I think it's going to be a lot of fun. Start time was about 6:50 p.m. I forgot to bring that up to your guys' attention. So about 6:50 is when we started fishing. This was just getting slammed. Wait until you feel them again, pull on it, and then go for it. Russ is getting a hit again.
Do I just let him swallow it?
Well,
That tease him, start pleasing me. Game on.
Russ, the first one on.
Holy shit, Rob. I need your help, bro. Seriously, Rob. I got evidence now. I'm pissed.
Do you feel him there? He got you into a snag, so I would walk over here and see if you can get him out. They get a bite.
Couldn't ask for it, right?
Oh, I know. Yeah, he's there.
You want me to get your
My net? I don't know. I don't know how big he is.
or should we just keep it low key?
Probably low key. I don't know. He's pretty big.
Don't want to make his grill so close.
Yeah, we're gonna make it.
Okay. How big is he?
He's got 3 or 4 pounds. Yeah, we're gonna need the net. Russ is going to get the net. I got a pretty good sized one on. There he is, YouTube. Sorry I had you guys pointed the other direction. There he is. Big old male.
Go to like 90th and you're right, and then go up to 32 and back. Because of that traffic being parked right there, you're gonna have people parked on. If you were to turn right, you'd have people backed up because of the fire lanes on the road. But honestly, it was.
Wait until you fill them. Once again, we're here all night in Lehigh at the Jordan River. It is now 8:13, so we have fished about an hour, full hour. I've caught one, and Russ has gotten a couple of bites, and he'll catch one. He'll get one. All right, intermission. What a really beautiful night. Weather's really good. I mean, we're not in the sun right now, so I'd say that's pretty good. All right, so he stopped biting on mine, so intermission. Oh, what? Did you see that? Another bite there, YouTube. I'll let it play for a little bit. What I like to do here at this spot, because they bite so tricky here, is they'll hit once. I'm alert. He hits again, I'm going to go and pick up my rod. And then when he hits again, that's when I'm going to attempt to set the hook. See right there, he hit again. So, I'm going to set it back down, and he'll probably hit again right when I turn the camera off. Alright, intermission. Okay, he just hit again. So I'm going to repeat the process. I'm going to wait for it. There's another one. And he stopped. If he's there, guaranteed the whole thing is in his belly by now. But he's not giving me any evidence to set the hook. Normal spot just opened up. Our normal spot just opened up, and we're getting settled in. Okay, Russell's getting a bite. Boy, he was getting hit hard. Okay, we'll let you know. Okay, since we moved into our new spot, Russ has had one bite. And this is where we were last year, and we're gonna start catching them. So Russ had a really good bite over there, and we'll start catching. So slow down a little bit. It is now 9:16 p.m. and we're going strong. Okay, Hog Seeker's getting a bite right now. Probably got my bait because my bait wasn't on there very good. Yeah, he did. Getting a bite. I missed him. Alright, so it's getting a little bit too dark for this camera, so I'm probably going to have to switch to my camera phone, but you won't be able to see the bites. Well, the time has come to hold the rod. Russ is right there. Hi, Russ. We're still getting tons of bites. They're just hitting one time and then calling it a turd. Okay, so yeah, we're out here all night. It is now 9:57, so all right. It's 11:15 and we're still fishing. Tons of bites. Russ is getting tons of bites. But we're just not catching. They're hitting once and then they'll come back maybe 3 or 4 minutes later and they'll hit again and then nothing. But hey, at least we're still getting bites. And it's still we're having a great time, aren't we?
Yep.
Yeah, good times. So anyways, intermission. I just wanted to fill you in with some what's going on. Well, the time is 12:14 a.m. and we're still fishing. Still tons of bites. And nothing to show for the bites, but we're still getting a lot of bites. They're hitting so freaking soft. Like we're holding our rods, and you can actually feel them pulling your rod. So then you're waiting for another good hit. Pardon the text message. And then boom, nothing. I've had two. I'm getting a bite right now. I don't know if you guys can make out the tip of my pole. Probably can't. But I just barely got a hit just now. And what they're doing is they're just hitting that real quick like. And then that's it. So, just wanted to check in and let you know what's going on. Well, it's going on 2 in the morning. And I've only caught that one fish, but we're getting tons of bites. There's a guy that was over there fishing earlier. He had a campfire going on, and he left the coals hot. People, if you come to this spot out in Lehi, please make sure you put your fires out all the way. I don't know how to get to the other side. It's all to go over there and put it out. But anyways, yeah, well, I'll let you know how we do. Alright, YouTube, it is now 3:30 in the morning. I just barely got home. So the rest of the night we got tons of bites, but nothing to show for it. We were holding our rods, so we felt every single jerk, so got tons of bites. I only had that one fish to show for it, but on and on, it was a great time. A lot of good times out there. A lot of people were there tonight, so it was a very popular spot. So anyways, thanks for watching. Like if you like, subscribe if you haven't already. Have a good one.